Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to resolve Ghost Touch issue on Motorola Moto G87. So, first of all, restart your phone, but before you restart your phone, also go to System Updates and check for available updates for your smartphone. If you find any, then let your smartphone take its time to download and install the most recent software updates. And after that, restart your smartphone. Or if you don't have any updates, then restart it manually by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and selecting restart. After that, check your touchscreen again. And if you still have any issues, try wiping the surface of your screen, because maybe there is something stuck on it that is causing mistouches. And if this doesn't help you, then go to settings, and in settings you have to scroll down to accessibility, and here in accessibility we're gonna have to go to timing controls and set the touch and hold delay. So select the value that suits you the most or the best, and after that, check your touch screen again. Now, if you are using gesture navigations and experiencing issues with them, then go to System. No, I think let's go to Search Settings and search for navigation. Okay, once you find gesture navigation, okay, let me disable circle search. Oh, we have it here, system navigation. If you have gesture navigation selected, to adjust the edges of your smartphone, go to the settings right here and change the size of the edges so that you do not accidentally trigger your moving backwards or forwards in any app. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.